identity politics. The fact that people believe that you have to vote for a person just because they're black or just because they're a woman is totally opposite of what we need to do right now.
And you're right. I agree with you. Actually, this man summarized everything that we've been saying on this podcast. As Dr. Martin Luther King will say, he dreams of a country where his children are treated not based on their color, but based on their character. But what most people do when it comes to election, they will vote for people just based on their color. They will vote for someone based on the race. They will vote for someone based on how they speak, based on their charisma. My friend, you do not want to vote for these reasons. These are not true reasons to vote for someone. You should go into their policies. You should go into their agenda to see if what they say align with your beliefs, if what they say align with your interest. That's when you know you're ready to vote. See you in the next episode, coming very soon. My name is Emlet. This is a briefing and analysis of current events from a Christian worldview.